Alright guys, let's go ahead and talk about a way we can scan our system. So we can use something that's called Linus, or Linus, and it's a free, open source, powerful, and popular security auditing and scanning tool for Unix and Linux-like operating systems. It is a malware scanning and vulnerability detecting tool that scans systems for security information and issues, file integrity, configuration errors, and performing firewall auditing, checking installed servers, and file and directory permissions, and a lot more, guys. So if you want, you can try and follow these steps here. You can cd to opt, do a wget to download Linus, and you can extract that tar file. You can move it to /user/local, and then create a symbolic link from your /user/local Linus to user local bin. Okay, guys, keep in mind though that if you do this, I don't think this is going to actually work on your server. I don't think that this link will actually download. Okay, but go ahead and look up this Linus tool and just kind of see what it's about. So here's kind of a screenshot of it working on an actual server. So you can see here that you just run this Linus audit system command, and it would actually go ahead and scan your system. You would see here it's, checking your OS, detecting profiles, and just kind of looks at stuff and make sure that there's no threats detected on your system. So let's talk about maintaining file integrity. So in cases where your server crashes or loses power, Linux may not be able to cleanly unmount your file systems. Thus, your file system may be left in an inconsistent state with some changes completed and some not. Operating with a damaged file system is not a good idea, as you are likely to further compound any existing errors. So other problems can arise for file systems running out of space or having sufficient file system management space to continue operating. So we discussed in previous sessions, guys, you can use the below commands for troubleshooting. You can do an ls block, block ID, fs check, fdisk, or df to kind of check some of those errors.